Hey everyone, so welcome back to J Vibes. If you're excited about the latest in AI technology, you're going to be in for a treat today. So we're diving into how to get an invitation code for Manus, the world's first general purpose AI, currently in private testing. This AI can handle everything from financial analysis to travel planning. And trust me, guys, it's worth getting access to. So stick around because I'll share some recently discovered codes and official tips to help you join the beta. So hit that subscribe button below and get started. First, let's talk about what Manus is. Developed by Monica.im, a Chinese AI startup. Manus is an AI agent unveiled on March 6, 2025, designed to act like an extra and, hence the name, which means and in Latin. Unlike regular chatbots, Manus can autonomously complete tasks like data analysis and content creation. Right now, it's in a private beta phase, meaning access is limited to those with an invitation code. Let's check out the activation page. Here's where you need to enter that code. So how do you get one of these codes? There are a few methods and I'll break them down for you. First, let's look at some recently shared codes from the X community. On March 8, 2025, a user named Freeman Dunhill posted 5 potential codes. Here they are on screen, so write these down or pause the video. Now a quick heads up, these codes might already be claimed since they're in high demand, but they're worth a shot. Try them in order, starting with the first one, and just enter them on the Manus page. If those don't work, don't worry. There are official ways too. Head to the Manus invitation waitlist at manus.invitation.im. Just fill out the form with your email and intended use case, and you'll be notified when a code is available. Also, follow Manus' official X account. It's at Manus AI_HQ. And join their Discord community for updates. They might drop more codes there. Now, before you go, a couple of warnings here. There's been some crazy speculation. People are selling codes for up to $13,000 on secondary markets. The Manus team says they don't authorize this, so avoid those scams. Stick to official sources like the waitlist or social media. Also, be patient. Codes are limited, and the team is rolling them out regularly. So, alright, you've got the tools to get started. Head to manus.invitation.im. Try those codes or join the waitlist. If you snag access, let me know right down in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience with Manus. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. If you got any questions, drop them below, alright? I'll answer as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this helpful, share it with your tech-savvy friends who will also love Manus. Next time, we'll explore more AI tools, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.